Once upon a time in the colorful town of Sunnyside, there was a lively and ambitious little girl named Dodi. Dodi was known for her boundless energy and her big, bright eyes that sparkled with dreams. More than anything, Dodi dreamed of becoming a famous chef and sharing her joy of cooking with the world. Every day after school, Dodi would rush home, tie a big apron around her waist, and stand on a stool in the kitchen to help her grandmother bake delicious treats and prepare hearty meals. Her favorite dish to make was her grandmother's famous rainbow vegetable pizza, which was as colorful as Dodi's dreams. One sunny afternoon, Dodi heard about the Sunnyside Cooking Contest, an event where chefs from all over town would come to showcase their best dishes. Excited, Dodi decided she would enter the contest with her rainbow vegetable pizza. She practiced every day, carefully slicing each vegetable and arranging them in beautiful patterns on the pizza. When the day of the contest arrived, Dodi wore her lucky chef hat and carried her special pizza to the town square. Chefs from all around had brought their dishes, and the square was filled with the delicious smells of hundreds of yummy foods. Dodi felt a little nervous seeing so many talented chefs, but she remembered her dream and straightened her chef hat with pride. As the judges made their rounds, they were impressed by the creativity and taste of Dodi's rainbow vegetable pizza. The colorful vegetables and the perfect crust were a hit. When it came time to announce the winners, Dodi held her grandmother's hand tightly. To her delight, Dodi's name was called as the winner of the most creative dish. The crowd cheered, and Dodi felt like the happiest chef in the world. Not only did she win a trophy, but she also won a special prize, a cooking class with the best chef in Sunnyside. Dodi was overjoyed. She knew this was just the first step in her journey to becoming a famous chef. From that day on, Dodi continued to follow her dream, learning new recipes and cooking techniques. She always remembered the cooking contest as the day she took a big step toward making her dream come true. And in her heart, she knew that with ambition and hard work, she could achieve anything she set her mind to. And so, Dodi's kitchen in Sunnyside became a place of magic and dreams, where every dish served was a reminder to all who tasted it that big dreams can indeed come true.